Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. What we got here today is the wife said that the van was making some noise the other day, so I took it out for a ride. And on the way back, I think I lost a brake pad. But yeah, look at that. Can't tell me that those weren't stuck. That caliper there was seized right in. The brake pads were probably rusted right in there too. But yeah, let's take a look here. Here's the only thing I could find of the inboard pad. You see where the thing was pushing on it. Yeah, that ain't no good. That must be where the rest of the pad's at, down in there. Let's see if I can get it in there. Can I see down in there? You can kind of see it down in there. A little piece of brake pad. I'm trying to get the camera to look down in there. Oh well, you gotta take my word for it. I'm gonna beat this rotor off and we'll see. I'll beat that off of there, get that bracket off, beat that off, and then we'll see what that looks like. See if we can get the other pieces of the brake pad out of there. But yeah, making some noise, huh? Look at that. That ain't no good. Bad thing is I gotta make this work for another 2 weeks, so we're gonna make it work, hopefully. Let me get back with you after I get this rotor off of here. Alright, we're back. Got that rotor off of there, and there's what fell out from behind there. So yeah, that's not good at all. Let's take a look at the back of this rotor. Yeah, that's not good. Oh well. We'll clean it up best we can, and I'll clean the piston up on that really good and try to get it back in there. And hopefully it doesn't leak, because if it leaks then we're dead in the water. But if I can get it back in there and get the seal back on it, what's left of it. It's only got to last 2 weeks, because I gotta order the calipers, but the ones I'm ordering come with brackets, because these brackets don't last long here in Michigan. I mean, I can clean this one up. I'll have to pop the little clips out, and then it's missing one there. And then I'll have to clean out underneath them, because they get rust jacked under them, and then the pads don't even move. That's what happened here. Once they get rust jacked in there and the pads can't move, then every time you hit your brakes, you basically just clamping a vise on your rotor and heating everything up until it wears itself free again. Anyway, let's get back to, I'll get that cleaned up and then we'll come back and see what we can do. Alright, I'm back. I'm a little winded, but I found the problem. Those are the slide pins. Let's see what... Yeah, I gotta clean all that out and get some of that high temp brake grease in there and clean all this up. That was a pain, man. Alright, let me clean them up, and I'll see what I can do with that rotor, and then I'll get back. We'll see how we do here. Hopefully we can save this. Alright, so I'm trying to resurface this rotor, kinda, you know, with a grinder here, but look at how thick that stuff is that you gotta take off of there. That's down to the good metal there, but that's like really thick. I'll set you guys up and you guys can watch the stuff fly off of it. That's I got toasted with metal, so that one will wear smooth, but this one was all heat chucked from them pads sticking. It really messed that side up, so it's definitely a lot flatter and smoother than it was. Alright, let me get those pins all cleaned up and that bracket cleaned up, and I'll get back with you guys. Alright folks, we're back. Napa, not a sponsor, actually gave us the right brake pads, unlike the ones I just bought an hour away in town, well 45 minutes away, that were wrong from the AutoZone. So Napa, not a sponsor, actually gives you the right part, plus it actually came with the hardware too. Good deal. So let's go see over here. I'll show you. I got the caliper bracket all cleaned up here. Everything moves nice, you know, nice and easy now. They're not frozen in there. Let's see. Nice, you know. And I filed all the rust off of those best I could. So the new clips will go in there. I'll put some grease on the underside right here, underneath the clips. You don't want no grease on the clips, but a little bit under here just to keep it from rusting up again. Just a real super light layer. Alright, let me get this all back together here. Alright, let's get these pads on here. When you put these on, the reason why I had to clean all this out real good is when you put these new clips in, if you put them in and it's all rusty under there from being rust jacked, when you go to put these in, they won't just slide right in like they're supposed to. See, this is how it should be. See that? Slides like butter. See if the inside one should go on the same way. Let's try that. Let me get it in there in the bottom. Let's see if I can get it in there. Hold on. It's kind of hard with a phone in your hand. Where is it? Maybe I should try the top first because I can see the bottom. Oh, now I got my clip all messed up. Oh, hold on. There we go. That's back in. Clip that in there. Oh, gee, I was fighting it the whole time. I was trying to push it in the wrong spot. But yeah, see? I can get it in there again. There it goes. Nice and smooth. Let me just grab this damn thing. Put that back on. One second. There, that's on. Now I just got to line up these bolts here. Man, this is hard to do one-handed. There it goes. Nope. Yeah, let me try the bottom one. That one went in. Just need to be lined up better. There we go. Oh, no, it's cross-threaded. Hold on. Well, let's take it for a ride. bunch of noise like it was, that's for sure. I wasn't leaking brake fluid. I'll find me a road to turn around at. We'll ride it around the block. Sorry about the windshield. It got hammered last night by some bugs. Alright, here's the road. It doesn't actually sound horrible for being a hand ground rotor. That's another quick repair here. A little bush fix to get us through until we can get all the parts gathered around to get it fixed right. Well, this will get her through. It'll probably last a few months or so, but I gotta get it done. I want to do the other side too. That one's not stuck yet, so I'm gonna change both calipers and brackets. I'm going to put a new rotor on the one I ground up. The other one still looks like brand new still. And it is, they were brand new about 8 months ago. Until them pins got stuck and seized up and tore all the shreds. But anyway, guys, I'm going to be coming up here on my road up here to turn back. Alright, we made it back. As you can see, my ground rotors are smoothing out a little bit. I'm surprised it actually stopped as smooth as it did, you know, with that ground off all that crap off of there. Anyway, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay blessed.